One of the most important features on the Virdee app is your key card, and this works just like any hotel key card, just it's on your phone. To enter your room, click the key card tab in the app. Now just hold your phone up to the lock, making sure that you're holding it like a traditional key, right against the lock. It's easiest to hold the screen towards yourself and hold the phone flat to the lock. Once you hear the beep, you're in. Make sure you have your Bluetooth on, and if you get any errors saying Bluetooth or locations aren't on, simply go to your settings, scroll to Virdee, and make sure you've given the app permission to utilize your Bluetooth and location services to communicate with the lock. This same key card will also work for the pool or the lobby, where you can grab some caffeine before hitting up all the local spots to explore. The app is more than just a digital key card. It powers your stay while here at the local. You can explore local attractions through our map, see local events, and access guest support to make any special requests, and even more. So take a look around. We can't wait for you to stay, and we hope that you enjoy being a local here at the local St. Augustine.